Previously on Wicked Magician.
Greetings to all my homeless niggas. We welcome you to another exclusive episode of Wicked Magician. And yes, let's make YouTube great again. Let's build the wall, let's protect Zherka, let's subscribe, and let's enjoy this wonderful video. May God continue to bless you.
Can you imagine living like that? Huh? In a mansion, maids and butlers and shit. And they don't even know what they got because they always had it. Never hungry, born full. Not us. The world wasn't built for guys like us. That's why we gotta take whatever we decide is ours. Because no one's gonna give it to us. We're not without a fight. I could have killed you. Could have put you out of your misery. But I didn't. Because you need a guy like me, Vic. But I gotta know. No bullshit. And I count on you to pull through.
Yeah, I can do it.
Huh?
I can do it.
Dangerous? How many YouTubers did we emulate, unconsciously emulate, and they don't really have those answers that were carried for thousands of years in many different traditions. And so the only way you get to this kind of perception, because it really makes you see through shit, this intuitive style of thinking, is if you actually spend honest time alone, very honest. I mean, when you're alone with yourself, you should be more honest than when you're in public, kind of fight these losing battles where you're trying to keep it real, but everyone around you is phony, and so they drag you in deeper, and you double down and go deeper, and then you start losing shit. And it's not something you should dab yourself up for at all. If you're just someone who's just fucking winning, if being, everything you're doing is effective right now, careful, because you will switch into thinking you're getting lucky, and that's when you're going to get bit hard. The whole message of this video is pretty much, you have the answer. Whatever your question is, you have the answer already. Sit in a car with your buddy and asking your buddy shit, and bro, you don't know what you're going through. Even if you explained it, even if you painted the best portrait, he wouldn't get it. And so being honest with yourself will save you so much misery. It's not really, you can have fun getting to your destination, and then there'll be corrective shocks that hurt you. Of course, that's for everyone, but the whole thing is not supposed to be bumpy. You can actually be honest with yourself and go places.